Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the most important GUI control in Windows programming, and that is a combo box control. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about what is meant by combo box control, and then we see the example of combo box control. So let's first see what is meant by combo box control. Combo box control is another way of allowing a user to choose from a set of options. In the last lecture, we have already seen about the list box control. List box control and combo box control both are similar. In list box control, we can add multiple items, and combo box is same as list box control, but it looks different. So combo box control is same as list box control. We can add multiple items into the combo box and then select from or choose from a set of options. So combo box control looks like a text box with a button in its right side. A list box control, it is a simple list, but combo box is a combination of text box and a button in its right side. Combo box is just like a drop down list. When a button is clicked which is in its right side, combo box shows a drop down box containing the list of options or items available. Then a user can select or choose from these options by clicking one of them. The selected option will then be the text inside the combo box. One thing you have to remember about the difference between list box and combo box is, in list box all the items are displayed at the same time, and in combo box only one item which the user has selected display at one time. Again, the second difference is, in list box we can select multiple items, but in combo box we can select only one item. So this is the difference between list box and combo box. Now let's see the example of combo box control. Okay, so for this we have to first open the Visual Studio. So open Visual Studio. Okay, now go to the file menu, then new and project. After that, select Visual C# from the languages and select Window Form application. Now name the application, for example, Combo Box Example, and then click on OK. Now first insert the combo box control. You can simply drag drop or double click on the combo box control to insert it. So this is a combo box control. As you can see, it is a combination of text box with a button in its right side. It looks similar like a drop down list. Now let's first see how to insert the items into a combo box. You can insert the items by just selecting the combo box and then the arrow key, and here click on edit items. Now you can add number of items here. For example, I add suppose Sunday, then for example Monday, Tuesday, etc. and then click on OK. Now run the program. Okay, so as you can see, here is a combo box control. When I click on the drop down button, the number of items which I have inserted appears here, and when I select one item, then that item displays on the combo box. So in this way you can add the number of items into a combo box control. Okay, now let's move on to the actual program. So I am going to delete this combo box, and again I am going to insert the combo box. Now insert one button. For today's practical, we require only two things. One is a combo box and one is a button. Now rename the button if you want. How to rename a button? Just click on the button, then right click and go to properties. After that, change the text property, that is a button 1, and here I am going to change the text as show. If you want to format this control, means change the look and feel of the control, then select all the controls and then go to properties, change the font property. So just click on this button, and now I am going to change the properties. For example, here font as Times New Roman, font style as bold, and font size as, for example, 22. Then OK. So first add items into a combo box. For that, double click on the form and then write a code to insert the items into combo box. So here write down combo box 1. So here combo box 1 is the ID of combo box control. Now write down combo box 1 dot items dot add. So here we call add method, and in bracket double quotation write down the item we want to add into a combo box. Okay, now do the same to add other items. For example, here combo box 1 dot items dot add in bracket. Okay, so here I add 7 number of items starting from Sunday to Saturday. Now go to design and let's run the program. Okay, click on the drop down list. As you can see, the number of items I have inserted into a combo box appears here. Suppose if I click on the item Monday and click on show button, then it has to be show that you have selected Monday. So write down the code for show button. So to write a code for show button, just double click on the show. So here button 1 underscore click event generated, and then write down the code for show button. So here write down message box dot show in bracket double quotation you have selected double quotation complete plus combo box 1 dot selected item, then bracket complete, end with semicolon. So message box is like a dialog box. It display you have selected and which item which we are selected in a combo box control. So let's run the program. Okay, now here select, for example, Friday and click on show button. So as you can see the output as you have selected Friday. Again select another item, for example Sunday, and then click on show. So here you have selected Sunday. So in this way we can perform the number of operations on a combo box control. So this is a very simple example. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.